music! Gusto ko magbigay ng hana ng 1 milyon
sa ating mga panauhin. And I'm very thankful na binigyan nila ako ng pagkakataong festival. And kailangan ko lang pong sabihin that every year, the performances get bigger and brighter. And it is such an honor for me, and I am so grateful for this opportunity na mapanood po yung ating mga performances and to be able to celebrate this very special day with all of you, the Feast of San Jose, at pakifiesta po sa inyong lahat. Earlier in one of our